G'day guys and girls, and welcome to another DIY video. In today's episode, we'll be installing a whiteline strut top brace. Whiteline's done a cool little thing where they've used these two holes here to line up with these two holes in the mounting bracket. And then all you need to do is take one of the shims that's provided, slide it on down in there, take your center punch, find the center of your hole, nice little whack, and you can start drilling. Get a good angle on the drill, that's good point. You leave the little spacer in there, you can use it as a guide against the drill. It'll help seat that first little bit of drilling. Now that the hole started, change over to this. Continue cutting until we get 8mm. Once you've dropped both shims down in there, get this bad boy stuck on, grab your bolt, go through each hole, and then what you want to do is grab a washer and a nut and come in from underneath here, washer and nut, put it on, bolt them up, get them both tight, and then use that and make your other hole. Once you have both mounting brackets on, I'm going to grab an Allen key and a 14mm bit and undo these from the bracket so you can put them straight on the brace itself. Make it easy to wind them in and out trying to get it on. And then once you have it on, slide it back through the same way. Whoops, that's back to front. Do as I say, not as I do. just leave it a little bit loose because you kind of want to move it around. Should be almost dead on. Ooh. About a mil out. But I'm happy with that. You happy with that? I'm happy with that. I just want to tighten those bolts up at the end. Down so it doesn't move anywhere. Same on the other side. Left is loosey right side. I think I remember that. Alrighty, now that that's nice and tight, just going to tighten this sucker back up again. Torque the spec. Oops, too slow. It's not going anywhere and she is nice and straight. Now the ultimate test. Does the wood shut? Back the camera up a little bit. Excuse my shoddy camera work. Now that we've successfully got the hood liner off and an injury, my camera battery died while I was taking it off, so we didn't do that. Let's see if she closes properly now. Smooth!